How to log into St. George Bank credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in St. George Bank and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, St. George Bank. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of log on. Click on that option. Now select the option of internet banking. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is fill this. Type in your card or customer access number, then type in your security number, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten any of these, click on the option of forgotten given at the right corner of it. After you fill this, click on log on, and just with that you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into St. George Bank account credit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.